Steam Deck Oled 1 TB unboxing. So there's the unit. Here is the charger. Okay. Steam Deck logo. Type C charger. And here's the gigantic Steam Deck. Your games in a whole new light. So, cool tab here. So, open. Pero parang sayang naman. So, dito na natin i-open. Let's put this inside. And then pull the box like that. Okay, so there it is. Free on case with the Steam Deck Oled. It is a Velcro strap here, make it very secure. So, yan, meron siyang lock dito. I don't know how to remove this, but I think I'm going to cut this. One moment. So, now we can open the Steam Deck from here. Alright, so Velcro strap. Let's remove the Velcro strap. And look at that! Here's the Steam Deck Oled 1 TB version. Man, look at that. Look at this gigantic thing. Alright. So let's turn it on for the first time. Free cleaning cloth. And so press and hold. Yun. Let's wait for it to boot. Yun. First boot on the Steam Deck Oled. So we're now fully booted up. Select language. We're going for English.